From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Gavin Sandel here with your Tuesday evening forecast. Taking a time-lapse view of Beaver Stadium. This is a beautiful shot. I actually learned today that the people at WeatherStem just cleaned this camera today, so this shot looks even better. Although we are seeing overcast skies, the fall foliage is looking amazing at Beaver Stadium. Right now, those folks are sitting at 52 degrees. It is relatively comfortable with a dew point of 41 degrees other than those overcast skies. So generally today, we are having a pretty good day. But those gray skies that we're seeing today should continue for the rest of the week. And really, it will continue as we will see a wet weekend possible. And in that, we'll have those temperatures climb slightly in the mid-week. And we might see temperatures more seasonable in the 60s. But I'll talk about that in just a moment. Looking at our radar, though, some clouds in the area. You can definitely tell that impact really blanketing the entire state. Some sprinkles as well are associated with that, maybe in and around State College, some to our southwest, some to our northwest as well. But yeah, if you walked out the door, you might have noticed it was sprinkling, so I wouldn't doubt that. Right now, though, 52 degrees is our high as of right now in State College. And overall within the state, it has been 60s and 50s. Those folks down in Johnstown, down in the Laurel Highlands, you guys are only seeing a high temperature today of 46 degrees, which is a lot below average. 14 degrees to be exact is 60 degrees is what they normally see down in the Laurel Highlands. And otherwise, in the western part of the state, it is much below average. Not as pronounced in the eastern part, but still much cooler than average. And you could definitely tell walking out of the door. And that should be the case for the rest of the region. Really, points from State College westward into the Ohio Valley down south, it is much cooler than average. Although this little bubble right here will be coming our way in the midweek as we'll see temperatures in the 60s. But speaking of the radar, we are going to see future weather. Some rain possible for Tuesday night. Those clouds will continue to build into Wednesday, and the sprinkles will be possible. And that will be the theme for the next couple of days. Just cloudy, dreary, and sprinkly days as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And that rain threat should increase, not decrease, into Thursday night as a low-pressure system on Thursday night, which is going to be centered on the Great Lakes. That will push its way through, and it will start to impact us for Friday, and then another little band of rain will start to come down and impact us on Saturday as well, which could also impact us for the big Ohio State game this weekend, which is taking place in Columbus. And for that game, the forecast, we'll see, but lingering showers for the tailgates, and for that noon kickoff, the rain should clear out, but we still aren't sure. And for that fourth quarter, the sun and clouds will continue. That temperature will be 58 degrees. It should be a good game no matter what the conditions are. For tonight, though, 42 degrees, mostly cloudy, and we should not have any worries in the wind department. And for tomorrow, 57 degrees is the high with those overcast, just dreary conditions and a possible sprinkle as you walk out the door on your morning commute to work. And for our 7-day, we're seeing temperatures 57 degrees on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, we should warm up just a little bit. And then for the game day, Saturday, unfortunately, another rainy weekend ahead. And then as we go into the rest of the week, we will see much cooler conditions and a 33-degree temperature for Monday night. Definitely stay aware if you want to see any frost going on. So with that, I'm Gavin Sandel. Enjoy the rest of your evening.